Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today I want to teach you the most profitable scalping strategy ever. This trading strategy is suitable for 1 minute and 5 minute time frames. Right now we're on the 1 minute time frame looking at the price chart of the euro to US dollar in the Forex market. But guess what? There's no limitation here. You can use this trading strategy on any other asset or market, whether it's Forex, crypto, or stocks. The only requirement is high trading volume and liquidity, both in terms of the asset and the broker or exchange that you're trading with. Because you see, this is a scalping strategy and the profit and loss that we're going to take are very small in terms of price movement. So we don't want to experience any unreal price gaps or large spreads between bid and ask prices that can damage our trade entry, stop loss, and profit. In this scalping strategy, we have two indicators. The first one that we want to add is UT bot alerts. This one, which is written by Quant Nomad, and we need to change its settings for our strategy. So we go to the settings of the indicator, and here for the key value, which is for sensitivity of the indicator, we set it at 3, and for ATR period, we set it at 2. All right, we're done with this. Now let's add the second indicator. We should add the next indicator, which is volume supported linear regression, written by someone named Lonesome. This is a very powerful indicator that is built based on linear regression by also taking volume into account. So we get more accurate signals on the current momentum and trend of the market. Everything is already set on the chart. And before we start the strategy, please give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. All right, let's see how we trade based on this setup. It's very easy, and you just need to pay attention to all the points that I'm going to explain so you can profitably execute this strategy in practice. Whenever we have a buy or sell signal from this indicator, then for confirmation, we check this histogram. When we have a sell signal, the histogram should be red. If the histogram is red, the signal is confirmed. So here we can enter a short position at this point where this new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed above the previous swing high and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And when we have a buy signal, the histogram should be green. In this case, you can see that the histogram is red. So this buy signal is not confirmed and we don't open any long position. Here you can see that the rejection was correct because shortly after the price declined. Here we have a sell signal, the histogram is red, so the signal is confirmed, and we can enter another short position here at this point where this new candle is opened, the stop loss above the previous swing high, and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. We have a buy signal, which is not confirmed. For the sell signal here, it's not a confirmed signal because the histogram is green. Moving on the chart here, we have a buy signal and it's a confirmed signal because the histogram is green. So we can enter another long position at this point where this new candle is opened, the stop loss below the previous swing low, and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Looking to step into the world of trading? Look no further. Introducing FP Markets, your ultimate trading destination. With a stellar reputation since 2005, FP Markets stands as a beacon of trust in the financial world. Regulated and reliable, we're your gateway to success in CFD and Forex trading. Imagine accessing a comprehensive suite of trading products all from one single account. With FP Markets, it's not just a dream, it's your reality. FP Markets has transformed my trading experience. I can diversify my portfolio effortlessly. Their platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making trading a breeze. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your trading game. Click the link above or in the description below to sign up, join the FP Markets community, and start your journey to financial success today. Here we have a sell signal. It's rejected. For this buy signal, also it's rejected. We have a sell signal here. This is also a rejected signal because the histogram is green. And for this buy signal here, it's a confirmed signal because the histogram is green. So we can enter another long position at this point where this new candle is open with the stop loss below the previous swing low and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And this is the most important point that you must pay attention to. No trading strategy can give you 100% guaranteed signals. No matter how accurate the strategy is or how much experience you have, losing trades are always part of the game, and you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy which works perfectly in conjunction with all trading strategies, pairs, and timeframes. So I have a complete guide on this risk management strategy. The link is also placed in the description and above here, and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a FundedNext account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With FundedNext, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Trade with peace of mind thanks to our intelligent drawdown calculations. No unnecessary stress, just smooth sailing towards your trading goals. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with FundedNext. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get. Don't pay with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join FundedNext today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in the next video, and good luck with your trading.